Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. And again, this is Daddy M Vlog Official. So today's video, guys, we're going to discuss on how to apply the disbursement account sa SSS online account natin. So before anything else, I would love to ask your support, guys, by subscribing my channel, Daddy M Vlog Official, clicking subscribe and click notification bell for you guys to receive a notifications once I upload new video. So just a quick discussion, guys. What is Daddy M all about? This is all about basic tutorials, guys. Product review, fishing adventure, popular songs cover, ride and adventure. And sometimes we do funny videos, of course. So proceed na tayo, guys, sa topic natin. So what is the disbursement account enrollment? So this is talk about, guys, new features SSS natin, online account that allows employers and members to credit SSS benefits and loan proceeds directly to enrolled bank accounts. It is a features available to every SSS member, from employer to employees and individuals who are either self-employed, voluntary, or even OFWs. So ayan, yun yung features ng SSS online disbursement account. So how we are going to do that para makapag-apply tayo ng SSS disbursement account natin for year 2023. So all you need to do is grab a phone or any device that is connected to an internet or kung may data. So currently, guys, now in this video, I'm using desktop or computer. So what I did is to click the Google Chrome na nasa screen natin. Depende yan sa device na meron kayo kasi there's a lot of search engine. May mga Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera Browser, Brave, Vivaldi. So I'm currently using Google Chrome. So punta ako sa Google search engine natin. I just type their SSS as you can see sa screen. Once I enter that one, then you will see the first result, Republic of the Philippines Social Security System. Yun yung i-click natin, guys. So once i-click natin to, mararaw tayo sa page na ito. So ang nasa page, there are 4 options actually. The same sa discuss ko previous video ko. So all we need to do is to select members. Member lang naman yung mag-update ng disbursement account or mag-apply ng disbursement account. So once i-click mo yung member, mararaw ka sa dito na page. So in this page, you are ask to log in, members login, username and password. So all we need to do is to log in now our username and password para makaproceed tayo sa ating topic. Alright, guys, so we are done na pag-login sa SSS online natin. So mararaut kayo sa ganito na page. So proceed na tayo sa topic natin on how to enroll disbursement account. So all we need to do is go to services. As you can see, guys, services. Tapos i-click natin tong disbursement module, and my option there is disbursement account enrollment module and benefits disbursement module. So i-click lang natin yan. Tapos mararaut kayo sa reminder na ito. So ang nandito sa reminder is you need to have bank account details and module number should be valid, active, and should not be among to the following. So post account, dormant account, account names differs from member's name, dollars account, frozen account, incorrect bank account number, invalid mobile number, join or end or account, not an existing account, different disbursement account, prepaid account, time deposit account, and with restrictions. So there are a lot of things that you guys need to read before filing the disbursement account for you not to avoid receiving rejection from your SSS branch, kasi i-reject nila, guys, kung mali yung pagka-file ng um, disbursement details niyo. So, i-click lang natin to na I certify that I have read and understood the foregoing reminders on account enrollment. So, click natin yung box, lagyan natin ng check mark, then click proceed. So, what happened guys is naraw tayo dito sa enrollment form. So, if i-click natin tong disbursement account guys, makikita nyo kung may existing account kayo na na-add doon. Pwede kayo actually mag-enroll again, tapos mag-add ng list. Kasi pag mag-file kayo ng loan, isa din sa requirements guys is disbursement account para dito ilalagay sa disbursement account niyo guys or bank account na nilagay nyo sa SS account niyo, doon ilalagay ni SS yung loans ninyo. For example, for salary loan, calamity loan, and pension loan, or any benefits that you wanted to receive like maternity benefits, sickness benefits, mga ganon. So, proceed na tayo sa topic natin. So, if we talk about bank account, so of course, the bank account name should be the same as your SSS registered name. So, for example, kung yung name nyo is Juan de la Cruz, sa SSS, it should be the same sa bank account name na i-register ninyo. Please provide the correct bank account number, not the ATM card number. So, you may contact your bank to secure the correct account number. So, ayun yung note na once i-click natin yung bank option. So, select bank. So, ano yung bank na meron kayo and gusto nyo i-enroll dito sa SS account niyo? So, select lang kayo dyan. Actually, there's a lot of option here. Pero, hindi siguro lahat bank account affiliated or pwedeng i-register natin. But, I'm sure, one of these banks na nilagay ng SS dito online is meron kayo. Kung wala, then you have to go to any bank na malapit sa inyo and enroll din kayo doon. And after you select, for example, ilagay natin to si BDO. Ayan, BDO, ilagay natin yung account number dito. For example, ano yung account number niyo. Tapos, pagkalagay ng account number niyo is i-click niyo itong proof of account. So, ano bang meron kayo sa bank account number niyo yan? For example, ilagay natin bank account number dito. Or proof of account is ATM with account number and name, bank certificates and statement issued by within the current year, not the previous year, foreign remittance receipt, passbook, screenshot, online mobile banking, and validated deposit slip. So, once ano ba yung meron kayo dyan, for example, itong validated deposit slip, maglalagay siya ng example. Like for example, ito, upload proof of account must contain your account name, account number, and bank name. So, yung maximum size ng picture na ma-accept ng website is 3 MB only. How to add that? Just click browse. Kasi yung ginagamit ko for today guys is desktop or computer. So, you need to click browse and mararoute kayo sa dito sa my computer niyo na folder. Pero at this moment wala ako niyan, kaya ito lang yung makikita ninyo. Ayun. So, ayan. Kung meron kayong nilagay dyan, then mas madali. So, i-add nyo lang dyan. Pagkatapos, proceed na kayo dito sa other information or requirements. Upload a clear copy of your one valid government issued identification card or documents for you to guys, for you guys to know what are the requirements or what are the valid IDs that may SSS accept. So, i-click natin itong view list of cards. List of government issue ID cards, documents such as but not limited to the following. So, ito yun. SSS ID, Philippine Identification Card, Driver's License, ito yun. Marami dyan guys. Then you can actually select. If wala kayo, then you need to have para maka-apply tayo ng disbursement account sa SSS. So, i-close lang natin dyan. Tapos, the same as sa ginawa ko kanina, i-click natin itong browse. para ma-route kayo sa computer ninyo kung saan nakalagay yung mga information nyo. Depends kung saan nyo nilagay yan sa PC ninyo. Kung mabuti, ilagay nyo agad sa mas madaling makita nyo para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-upload. So once done, click to open. For example, ito, i-click ko to. I-click open. Tapos once done, maglalagay dyan dito kung ano yung file name na nilagay nyo. Example, ito, try natin. Si SSS, ito, i-open. Yan, makikita nyo, nag-display siya dito once sinelect nyo siya. Tapos, selfie or selfie photo. So, upload your chest level selfie photo holding the following. Proof of account, kasi yung sinelect natin at first kanina is proof of account. Tapos, upload valid government issue. So, ito yung sample guys kung paano mag-selfie. Dapat yung kamay, dalawang mong kamay is makikita talaga sa picture. Tapos yung chest, yung mukha, talagang malinis. Upload photo must be colored and clear. Ensure that your face and eyes are exposed. No face mask, eyeglasses, or bandana, etc. Ensure that you are in proper attire as well. So once done guys, i-click nyo yung I certify that all information and documents provided are true and correct, and I understand that I shall be held liable under the circumstances for any false information, misrepresentation, and fraud in my application or request. So once done, click the enrollment. Yun. So, paano kami manonotify once approved yung disbursement account enrollment namin? So, that's a question. Yep, the answer is, ito yung magiging result. You'll be receiving an email from SS, or sometimes yung experience ko is they will do text as well, but most of the time they will be notifying you that your disbursement account was approved. So, ito yung email nila. We are pleased to inform you that submitting approved account under transaction blah 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 has been approved. So, ayan. So, once approved guys, you can actually see that dito sa disbursement account, which hindi ko na lang i-display kasi anda na yung disbursement account na na-enroll namin previously. So, also, you will have other option as well sa SSS account ninyo, which you can see sa option account ninyo na may notification bell kasi doon, which is yellow color, yellow-orange color, na pwede nyo i-click tapos makikita niyo doon. Same as stated sa email na this account has been, the disbursement account has been approved. Same lang siya actually guys kasi system generated ito. Okay? So, ayun guys, that's for today's video on how to apply or enroll disbursement account doon sa SS online account niyo. So, I hope you guys learned something today. So, please support my channel by subscribing Daddy M Vlog Official. Subscribe and click notification bells para maka-receive kayo ng notification, any discussions about basic tutorials like sa ginawa natin today. Also, product review. May magre-review kasi ako ng mga products na in-order ko online, or any any features or online store. Ride and adventure, popular song cover, and features fishing adventures. Funny video as well. So, yan guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can actually leave a comment down below. Bye, yours.